What's up guys, this is RJ from RJ Tech HD and I am back. If you saw my previous video, I was talking about why I was gone so long and what was I doing? Why was your boy gone so long? And what's with this new attitudes? Cause I was spicing up things on the channel. Everything's gonna be tech and vlogs and probably some more things, depending on how I'm feeling about the channel. But we've been growing a lot when I was gone and I wasn't uploading videos. The channel was still rising and we still got subscribers, the views were going up, and the ad revenue was going up. I was happy, and I made a lot of subscriber like probably a day after or so, but it's still rising and that still makes me happy and it still puts a smile on my face. So the other day I was at work, came home from work, and Google sent me a package. I was looking there, I found a Amazon or a UPS looking box, and it has some type of Google sticker on it. I opened it up and I saw this. Now this is the Google Home Mini, and this is one of Google's newest products, and I've been dying to get one of these. You're probably wondering, how do I have one? How did Google even got your address and stuff? Well, I'm not gonna get too much into it, but I'm gonna tell you this. A while ago, a friend gave me Google's press email, and I was able to email Google, tell them about my YouTube channel, my profession, what I want to do with technology, and I never knew they was gonna respond, so I actually missed them responding. Koch did give them my address to send me stuff, so when they actually responded back, I think they said something about them sending something, but they didn't say it was exactly gonna be this. So Google, thank you so much for sending this out to me. I am very grateful for you sending this out. Alright, let's not waste any more time and let's get into unboxing this. Alright, it is now plugged in and now it's turning on, as you see here on the camera. Alright, awesome. So I guess I have to say, okay Google, or I have to say something. Okay, Google.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
This is awesome, guys. Very awesome. Alright guys, so we have to switch in vlogging mode because something happened when I was filming my video. My phone, well, the camera fell onto the phone. My current phone, the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. I have for over 2 years. That was my main phone. And look at that crack on the phone. Yeah, that's a nasty, that's a nasty bruise right there. So at this time it's recording, I am about to go to Sprint to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So yeah, we got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 dropping in the studio very soon, or the room. So had to pause the unboxing there at the end of the video so you guys know that's what happened to my phone just when I was recording. I was upset because I had this phone for over 2 years and had no crack on the screen, and it's terrible. It's really terrible. So yeah, I will be back in another video and we'll be testing out the Google Home.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
Okay, and I'm gonna trigger you guys' devices now. Say, okay, Google. Alright everyone, so that's the Google Home Mini unboxing, and I will be doing a review in about 2 weeks so I can fully get to use this type of device because it's literally a new device and I'll be getting a Note 8 to use with this. So very excited, very happy for using this. Thank you Google for sending this out to me. I'm very grateful for this and I will be putting it to the best of use. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, be free to smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. Alright guys, see you next video. Peace.